You are here again, sir?
I told you I'm gonna be here again.
What happened this time?
This time this fall down. This was not issue, but the increase. So, but this fall down, and the
And we have
unfortunately get another one. This one that was my fault. I get tired from work, and I can notice it was in the couch. So I said, and I only heard there was the crack, and I'm
Don't worry.
here.
I got you. Close touch on me. Only this left from the home button. Time to fix this bad boy. Your iPad is ready, sir. This is the Roblox one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the other one. And this one is ready too.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna keep him out of Roblox. Probably I'm gonna see you again. Thanks.
You're welcome.